All right, movie detective, welcome back to IQ Splash. Today we're playing Guess the Movie by the Emoji. Some answers will pop into your head instantly. Others might make you stop and think, but that's part of the fun. We've crammed 20 emoji movie puzzles into this challenge, but you'll only have 10 seconds for each round to lock in your guess. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the IQ Splash fan. Are you ready? Let's play. Can you guess the movie from these emojis? That's right, this movie is Coco. What movie do these emojis remind you of? Megan 2.0, the creepy doll is back. Do you recognize this movie from the emojis? Chicken Little. Keep on going, movie expert. Moana 2, Back to the Ocean Adventure. Can you guess the next move? Nice guess. That movie is Wonka. Come on, take a wild guess. Hoppers. This one should look familiar. Yes, the answer is One Piece Season 2. What film are these emojis trying to tell us? Correct answer, The Wild Robot. Guess the next movie. Jumanji, The Next Level. Any idea what movie could this be? That's right, Zootopia 2. What film do these emojis point to? It's Inside Out 2. You nailed it! A Minecraft movie. Can you name the movie before time runs out? It's Sonic the Hedgehog. Have you seen this movie before? Correct answer, Roofman. Which big movie title fits these emojis? The SpongeBob Movie, Search for SquarePants. This one's pretty popular. Can you find it? Scream 7, The Mask Return Again. Take your best shot. Despicable Me 4. Got any thoughts on this movie? It's K-pop Demon Hunters. What do you think? Dumbo, the flying elephant takes off. Guess the movie before the timer runs out. Happy Feet, some dancing penguins on ice.